Well, y'all, FNS Money, it's her first time at the Wicked Spoon Buffet. Yeah, she is doing it up. Look at that.
Got French toast, some Italian scrambled toasting, eggs Benedict, which is my favorite.
Yes.
And then this is something. Huevos rancheros.
Okay, huevos rancheros. That looks good, baby. You know how to do it. I gotta go up and get mine too, y'all. That's good. Let us know what you think, my lady. All right, you guys. So I did a little something. Got the bacon, the chicken sausage hidden under the bacon. Benedict, as you know. Cream fraiche eggs. Yeah, y'all. Shrimp and grits, potatoes. Yeah, I'm ready. She's already putting in work over there. All right, so what was your favorite?
The Italian toast. So it has ricotta cheese, soft scrambled eggs. This stuff is so good.
Believe it or not, y'all, that is packed full of flavor. It is very good. Nice little crunch. So what's your thoughts on this whole place? What do you think?
It's good. It's very yummy. It was worth the 22,000 steps you made me do yesterday.
Y'all hear that? Yeah.
I was dying.
Yeah. Yeah, she called it. That food is delicious. All right, y'all. Well, hello viewers. Reiko here. Y'all at Cosmo in front of Sahara Gold. Look at those pots. Y'all would love to drop that major. Hey, well, let's warm it up on 50 cent denom. We'll do some $12 spins to start. Let's see what we can do. Okay, all right, that's fine. Looking for 6 orbs. I'm sorry, yeah, 6 orbs or 3 of those Taj Mahals. All right, a little love there. All right, come on, baby. We'll be doing up to 25 a spin this session. Hopefully get a little playback. Rapid fire. Never know. Let's try $1 denom, 25 bucks. Find out quickly whether or not I want to play here or back at 50 cent. Looking like 50 cent. Oh, good numbers though. All right, so we got 2 Taj Mahals showing up. I like that. Come on. Yeah, usually when you get the first 3. Come on, do it. Ah, they both went by. Go rapid fire. Wow, one away, y'all. All right, let's go to 50 cent again. See if we can get a bonus. Maybe it wants 25 on this. Rapid fire, nope. All right, back to $1. Come on, baby. Wow, teasing. I hear the bonuses. We just got to get it. Come on, baby. All right, let's go to 10 cent. 17 and 25. Ah, still 2, not 3. Okay, a little love there. 126. Let's go back to $1. Trying to get a bonus. All right, come on, baby. Oh, man. 5,000 minor, y'all. That was close. $75. Loving that. Oh, almost had a hand pay. Look at that. Half a click. Come on, Cosmo. $15. There we go. Finally, got a bonus. All right, y'all, got this on $25 spins. See if we can do something nice. Stick right. Ah, that's okay. It's like having 9 free spins. Why not? Why not? Could get a retrigger, that'd be nice. Okay, 5 of a kind. Did a rapid fire on that one. All right, about what you'd expect from a bonus like that. All right, let's go to 50 cent. $25 spins. Come on, baby. All right, let's vary the bet. $12.50 and 25. See if we can get another bonus. Wow, I was thinking we were getting something. Come on, yeah! All right, y'all, that's good. We might have a hand pay. All right, you guys. So we're on 50 cent denom, betting $25 a spin. Yeah. Got a 500 mini. We have a 375 here and a couple 250, or 3 of them, 4 of them. Let's see what we can do. See if we can drop that major, y'all. That would just make our night. All right. Cool with that. Oh, I saw it. Oh, got it. Nice. Yeah, we're definitely above a hand pay, y'all. Some good orbs. All right, can we do it? Y'all, we are playing for 114,000. All right, come on, baby. Oh, I saw it. All right, last lucky spin. All right, hey, not bad. It's a good one, y'all. That's a good one. That's huge, y'all. Thank you, thank you. Now that's face-worthy. That is face-worthy. All right, you guys, so we're dabbling. Oh, and my neighbor is killing it too. Y'all, we are dabbling here at Cosmopolitan, having so much fun. Y'all, I can't believe it. That is huge. All right, let's add it up. That's a song, y'all. All right, well, hey, we'll be back after this and do a few backup spins. All right, you guys, that was epic. Well, hey, let's do a few backups. I'm gonna do one on this denom, and then I'm gonna switch it to $1 and do some backups there as well. Come on, baby. Oh, would have been nice. Same bet though. We're gonna go to $1 since we got a bonus there. And let's see if we get something here. Just a couple more, y'all. Oh, yeah! That's how we do it. And that is why we switched the denom, you guys, because you never know. Let's see what we can do. All right, y'all. So hopefully we hit that major, the minor. Oh, that'd be a dream. All right, y'all. Come on, baby. Well, I saw a mini go by. Okay, got a 4X out there, 2X, 1X. Come on, baby. Come on, save it. Okay, save it with the 5X. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah! I guess you're going to be hanging out. We'll be in the base tomorrow between 4:30 and something. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Y'all, we just dropped 5,000 minor, you guys. Take a look. That is so amazing, you guys. That's face-worthy right there. All right, y'all, look. I wasn't expecting that to drop. Matter of fact, I'm waiting on a drink. I need a drink now. I'm just like, wow, that's crazy. That's why we switched the denoms, you guys. You never know. All right, we're not done. To drop a major. Wow. What if? All right, last lucky spin. Come on, save it. All right, you guys. That was huge. Huge. Y'all, this has just been an epic trip to Cosmopolitan. Look at that. $5,775, y'all. My God, didn't expect that to drop. But hey, y'all, remember, this channel is all about your subscriber requests. So please hit that subscribe button and leave your request in the comments below. All right, you guys, I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I'm sorry, I'm not in a hurry here. Oh yeah. Y'all, sometimes I just get drawn to these majors. I don't know what it is. This was the highest one on this row. This one was actually at $10,000 yesterday. So I'm assuming somebody hit it and they print and sprint. But it was already up to 6 something, so I played it. All right, you guys. Thank you very much for all your support. Locked it up. What a massive hand pay, you guys. All right, well, hey, we'll be back, do some backups. Same thing as before. All right. All right, you guys. This is just getting more epic by the minute. Well, hey, let's do a backup, and then we will go to old 10 cent for the same bet. Because we haven't done anything there. We'll do 25 and 50. There's a 50 on 10 cent as well. Come on. Oh, that was a good number. Let's go to a quarter. Let's see here. So 25 would be a hundo. Let's do a few there. Oh man, those numbers. What an epic run, you guys. Mini would be 250 bucks. All right, last shot. I'll do some 25s there. Just a few. Keep it above 500. Oh, thought we had it. Oh, a few more spins. And last lucky spin. All right, you guys, that was just so epic. Let me flip this around. Y'all, we hit one for what, like 33, another one for like 57. What an epic session, you guys. Couldn't do this without you. Hey, want to thank you all very much for watching. All right. Hello, you guys. We'd like to thank you very much for watching. Oliver, speak. Remember, this channel is all about your subscriber requests. So please hit that subscribe button. Oliver, pop, and leave your request in the comments below. All right, thank you guys.